Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to build this DIY cardboard tactical communication system from scratch. Before we begin the tutorial, let me show you each component of this setup. First, we have the MPU5 tactical radio. Next is the push-to-talk, PTT. Then, we have a pair of 3 Peltor ComTac V tactical headsets. They can be easily mounted onto the side rails of the tactical helmet. And finally, we have the RDC device. Before we begin the tutorial, make sure to download the printable templates from the link in the video description. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Prepare templates number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also prepare several cardboard pieces. Step 2. Assemble the templates to form the radio body, as shown in the video. Step 3. Prepare a paper tube with the dimensions shown in the video. Step 4. Join the paper tube parts together as shown in the video. Step 5. Make 3 identical paper tubes, then attach them to the top of the radio body. Step 6. Prepare all the remaining parts shown in the video, including template number 5, the cardboard knobs, paper tubes, and the other small components. Step 7. Attach all of these parts to the top of the radio body. Step 8. Prepare 2 copies of template number 6. Step 9. Glue the 2 template number 6 pieces together. Step 10. Prepare a cardboard strip measuring 6.4 times 1.1 centimeters and several small cardboard pieces. Step 11. Attach the part you made previously, along with the new pieces, to the top of the radio. Step 12. Prepare a piece cut from a used book cover with the dimensions shown in the video. Step 13. Attach all the parts to the bottom of the radio as decorative details. Step 14. Prepare template number 7 and a piece cut from a used book cover. Step 15. Attach these parts to both the left and right sides, as shown in the video. Step 16. Prepare 2 copies of template No. 8 and a 2.1 cm cardboard strip. Step 17. Glue the cardboard strip between the left and right template number 8 pieces. Step 18. Prepare templates number 9 and 10. Step 19. Assemble templates number 9 and 10, then attach them to the top of the PTT. Step 20. Prepare a paper tube with one end sealed with cardboard. Step 21. Attach the paper tube to the top of the part you made previously. Step 22. Prepare a circular cardboard piece and several small cardboard pieces. Step 23. Attach these parts to the side of the PTT. Step 24. Prepare the PTT template. Step 25. Attach the template to the back of the PTT. Step 26. Prepare templates No. 11 and 12. Step 27. Stack template number 12 on top of template number 11. Step 28. Prepare another template No. 12 and a 7 mm wide cardboard strip. Step 29. Attach these parts to the top of the assembly you made previously. Step 30. Prepare template number 13. Step 31. Attach template number 13 to the top of the headset. Step 32. Prepare templates No. 14 and 15, along with a 9 mm wide cardboard strip. Step 33. Attach these parts to the top of the previous assembly. Step 34. Prepare templates number 16 and 17. Step 35. Attach these templates to the top of the headset as shown in the video. Step 36. Prepare several small cardboard pieces as shown in the video. Step 37. Glue the cardboard pieces together. Step 38. Prepare templates number 18 and 19. Step 39. Stack template number 19 on top of template number 18. Step 40. Prepare templates number 20 and 21. Step 41. Stack template number 21 on top of template number 20. Step 42. Prepare templates number 22 and 23. Step 43. Stack template No. 23 on top of template number 22. Step 44. Prepare a paper tube and a wooden skewer. Step 45. Assemble all the parts you made previously. Insert the wooden skewer through the slot, then glue it to the cardboard pieces to create a functional hinge. Step 46. Prepare the assembly you made previously, and the part made from template number 19. Step 47. Attach the template No. 19 assembly by inserting it into the slot of the previous part. Step 48. Attach the completed assembly to the headset. Step 49. Prepare a neodymium magnet. Step 50. Attach the neodymium magnets to both the headset and the helmet, as shown in the video. Step 51. Repeat the process to build another headset and mounting assembly for the opposite side. Step 52. Prepare a thick wire a nut, and a piece of thick foam shaped as shown in the video. Step 53. Attach these parts to the left side of the headset to create the microphone. Step 54. Prepare 2 copies of template No. 24 and a 9mm wide cardboard strip. Step 55. Glue these parts together. Step 56. Prepare template number 25. Step 57. Attach template number 25 on top of template number 24. Step 58. Prepare the printed display from the template and several circular cardboard pieces. Step 59. Prepare template number 26. Step 60. Prepare a 5 cm long paper tube and several cardboard pieces. Step 61. Attach the cardboard pieces to template No. 26. Then attach the paper tube to the top of the cardboard pieces. Step 62. Prepare template number 27 and a rolled paper pin. Step 63. Attach this part underneath the tablet, then connect it to the template number 26 assembly you made previously. Step 64. Prepare a cardboard piece. Step 65. Attach the cardboard piece to the back of the tablet. Make sure it is attached only to template No. 26, not to the tablet itself, so it can act as a support. Step 66. Prepare a thick wire, then attach it to the top of the assembly so it routes toward the headset. Step 67. Attach another wire to the lower left side, so it routes toward the tablet. Step 68. Attach another wire to the right side of the PTT so it routes toward the radio.